minor, some blues now. See? More do. Very simple solos, right? So do, more do. So do, more do. So do, more do. That's a minor pentatonic. Pentatonic, C minor pentatonic. And if I add just one note to it, I get a blues. There I go again. See. We are even though the chords are major, we are thinking in minor, in blues. And you can start to play the blues scale here. So do, so, fa, are you on? So do, so, fa, where I picked it, starting from the A shape. Some kind of pull off. La, re, do, re, mi, do. We learned the pentatonic scale in the previous video, so you can look out for that. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, do. Pentatonic. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, do. Minor pentatonic, starting from the mall. The same thing. Move 3 octaves, 3 semitones forward. Blues. But if you use blues alone, it becomes boring. So you have to bring it back to the major scale, using the diatonic scales. Teach you this one. No. In case you're looking for further studies, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. Give me a call. Yes, so I can introduce you to some other important scale. Further studies. Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it.